Hey, what's up guys? So, here we are, the launch day of the PlayStation 5. I apologize for the extremely weird angle and all of the things that are about to come out of this awkward location. Just bear with me here. This is what I got, so yeah, so here we are. This is the dawn of the new gaming era, the new 9th generation here. Got the PlayStation 5 physical disk drive version here, and yeah, I hope this comes out good. So yep, here we go. I'm not going to call this like a TPX gaming, TPX unboxing, TPX reviews. It's stupid. It's for this special occasion. It's much more than that. I don't know what really to call it. So here we go. I hope this fits in the frame good, and I hope we got ourselves a good video here. You know, apologize if you see things that you normally wouldn't. So, but here we go. So I'm gonna flip this around. We got this right here. The side. We got the back. Yep. There we go. Got the. Now this came from Sony Direct. So a couple things that, you know, might be very, you know, a little different. I actually got a thank you card in the box, which was really cool. They gave me a avatar bundle. There's a PlayStation seal right here. I don't know if that, usually that comes from their store only. Like that's something that they put on the box. I generally like to keep that intact, like in terms of, you know, it says it's valid. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to preserve it. I'm just gonna say no. I'm just gonna slice it. And there we go. That should be it for the scissors. Just slice off the top right there, not missing much. Alright, so the lid, we're gonna open it up here. Cool. Alright. This is a chunky boy. Let's see what we got here. Did I do that right? Well, not really. I'm gonna have to pull it, you know. I clearly screwed it up. We're just gonna this box doesn't want the seam to come out, so it's not going to. I don't. The sleeve is being extremely stubborn. We actually did it, so we're good. So let's put it back kinda the way it was. Its sleeve was being stupid. Okay. So alright. So this box get your manual. Bunch. Actually, yeah, there are 2 quick start guides. And here we got the stand, HDMI cable, which it's good to have. I don't really know. Sometimes they give you good ones, you know, out of the box. Sometimes they don't. So that's. I'll probably just use the one that they gave me because I don't know, like, if they're special. But yep, I got the power cord, which is very standard, figure 8, and another dual sets that I have. I say another because, yeah, here you go. I have a full video of this. So, you can check that out on the channel as well. A much better viewing situation in that one. And outside, a USB Type-C. That's basically it. So all our wires, everything is out of there. So we are good. Alright. Well, now for the main event. Most of this got kind of all screwed up because I could not get this out of the sleeve. It was really stuck in there. And there was really no place to grab. So, but, you know, stupid problems. But there you go. So I'm going to pop this lid. Like that. There is the beast. She's just chilling in there. Not a whole lot to nothing really else going on in there. But that's your look inside. Just two big things that hold her in. Best way to take her out. Obviously, not the best way, but again, places to grab. Big console, very small, tight spot, tight space. All right. Cool. All right. There she is. The moment we've all been waiting for. See how they'd like us to take her out. It's like I could get away with just unwrapping her. Upside down. Never. I'm sure that happens a lot. I've seen people do their Xbox Series X unboxing, and yep, upside down. It's just, you don't know which way they. Can't tell. These systems are so symmetrical. You ready? Oh, good heavens. That console is beautiful. I don't think there's a more describable word than what this is right here. Absolute beauty. Seeing this in person is so much more different. This console is wild. I absolutely love the fins. The feel, just wow. This is so different than I I imagined. Very just amazing. I'm speechless. Like, it's got such a nice feel. The curves and everything, it just feels awesome. Wow, it's hitting now. It's just so beautiful. Like, just running the the fins are just they're so, the texture of them and the thickness of them here, and it just, like, it's, wow. And this is a cutout instead of just a sticker. It's actually totally cut right out. Wow, crazy, absolutely beautiful. This console is ridiculously sexy. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a nice TPX close-up of her. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous system. I can definitely see where the glossy part is going to get ridiculous. Pretty sure it's already got dust. Yeah, like little microfibers, little tiny pieces of dust. So, you know, there's that. So, yay. But, it even looks like there's, like, somehow I don't remember touching down there near the power button, but there's some fingerprints. I don't know how those got there. I don't remember touching that. Maybe something of mine. Maybe one of my hands rubbed it when I was spinning it around. But or they could just be the beautifulness of, get off of my system. Sorry. It's like little, like already collecting pieces of here. Yay. It's like electrostatic, you know, just pulls them right in. It's making me touch the glossy part. I don't want to touch the glossy part. But I don't know what else to say. See, I mean, it's possible that the factory also, you know, they have to do tests on these systems, so who knows? Maybe it collected some fingerprints from the gloves. But yeah, this glossy part is just, woof, it is collecting. Every time I touch it, more dust just gravitates to it. It's just, wow. I think, you know, it's also probably leaving small little scratches and stuff, you know? Just like, so bear that in mind. When you wipe this console down, you want to be using something very soft, because just, I mean, even the slightest little bit of, you see some dust, you go to wipe it and it's going to scratch it. So it's very temperamental, so be warned about that. So, but I don't know what else really to say, but that's basically the full unboxing right there. She's beautiful. She's pulling all sorts of hair already. Doesn't help that I have cats, and try to keep her clean, but I don't think that's possible. So there you have it. But yeah, that's been my unboxing. Definitely, probably will not be, you know, the best one on YouTube by any means. It's far from it. So, but there you go. Let me get the good shot of her on the side, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess, yeah, thanks for watching. TPX reviews with the unboxing of the PlayStation 5. It's the disc drive version, right from Sony. Yeah, pretty excited. I'm gonna go plug this gorgeous machine in, put the stand on, and yep, wish I could show you the gorgeous blue lights emanating from the inside, but you know, gotta do the initial stuff first. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Peace.